Assalamualaikum, my dear students of class 5, morning shift and day shift. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform, NIFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct Bangladesh and Global Studies, in short BGS studies class for the students of class 5. Let's see our today's topic. It is chapter 11, descriptive questions 1, 2, 3, and this is our lecture number 21 and homework number 11. So dear students, give your attention. So look, here you will see 3 questions. These are called descriptive questions from chapter 11, 1, 2 and 3. 1 and 2, okay, 1, 2, 3, we shall learn 3 questions. Your homework will be question number 3. So let's start with the first one. How should we show a democratic attitude to our ethnic groups? Answer. Our ethnic groups make our culture diverse and beautiful. We can show our democratic attitude to our ethnic groups in many ways. They should get the same facilities from the government like all other citizens. They celebrate many festivals of their own which are parts of their tradition. We can also take part in their festivals. We should respect their language and culture. By these ways, we can show our democratic attitude towards our ethnic groups. That means we have finished our 1 number question answer. Now we will go to question number 2. Describe the religion of 3 of our ethnic groups. Answer. The religions of 3 of our ethnic groups are given below. Number A. The original religions of the Garo is Sanksari, but most are not following Christianity and celebrate Christian. Most are now following Christianity and celebrate Christian festivals. B number. Most Moro are Buddhist. In the past, their traditional religion was Torai, with a sect called Karma. Okay, some of them have also accepted Christianity. C number. The Khashi worshipped several gods, among whom the father is Uble Nangtho, creator of the earth. Now question number 3. How would you recognize that someone came from a different ethnic group? Answer. There are many different ethnic groups in different parts of Bangladesh. From ancient times, these ethnic people have been living in the land inherited from their forefathers. We can identify the people of different ethnic groups by observing their lifestyles and special characteristics. We can also observe their language, clothing and food habit to recognize them. So dear students, with these 3 questions we have finished our today's lecture number 21. So look, our last session is homework. This is your 11th number homework. What is it? The homework number is 11. Okay, and your homework is chapter 11. These 3 questions are taken from chapter 11 and you will write the descriptive questions number 3. That means this one. Okay, this one will be your homework, question number 3. Whenever you will do your homework, you will write the title of the chapter. Okay, then the chapter, okay, look here, chapter is 11, then the 3 questions. 3 number questions is how would you recognize that someone came from a different ethnic groups, then the answer. Please don't write only the answer. It is seen that many of you don't write the chapter 11 name. Your proper way to do your homework is you must write chapter 11, then question number 3, how would you describe that someone came from a different ethnic groups, then answer. I hope that you have understood the chapter 11's descriptive questions number 1, 2, 3, and my last request is to you to do your homework number 11, question number 3. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.